Today we will learn how to create an eye-catching text design using dots. Whether you are new to graphic design or simply want to give your text a unique look, this tutorial is perfect for you. First, select the text you want to design. For this example, I will use a simple text. Next, add some space between the letters to make the design look neat and attractive. Enlarge your text so it's clearly visible. After adding the spacing, select the text and copy it. Once your text is selected, right-click on it. You will see an option called Convert to Shape. Click on it to transform your text into a shape. With the shape selected, then you can see rectangle tool and select it. Then disable the fill option. This will make your text transparent. Next, enable the stroke option and choose a color for the outline. For this example, I will use red, but you can pick any color you like. Increase the stroke size to make it more prominent. Then, change the stroke style to dots. Go to More option to adjust the spacing between the dots. Modify this setting to suit your design. In the stroke setting, look for the corners option and select round. This will smooth out the edges of your text, making it look even more polished. After applying all the settings, click OK. Your text is now beautifully transformed into a dot design. By following these simple steps, you can give any text a unique and creative look. Experiment with colors and patterns to add your personal touch to the design. If you enjoyed this tutorial, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel and share your thoughts in the comments. See you in the next video and thank you for watching.